In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize dashboard in ClickUp. Let's get started by heading to ClickUp. Open your workspace so you're in the place where your projects and tasks live. Once you're in, make sure you're on the area of the workspace you want to report on because your dashboard will pull data based on the location and filters you choose. Next, click on View. You'll typically see this at the top of your screen. The View menu is where you switch between things like List, Board, and your reporting views. Opening it helps you find the dashboard option tied to this part of your workspace. From there, click on Dashboard Report. This may be an existing dashboard or a view setup to show reports for your team. Opening it brings you into the dashboard area so you can build or refine what you see. Now, click on Start from Scratch. This creates a blank dashboard so you're in full control of what gets added. Starting from scratch is great when you have a specific reporting goal in mind and want to choose exactly which elements appear, how they're arranged, and which metrics matter most. Once your blank dashboard is open, start to select your cards and click on Customize to edit. Cards, sometimes called widgets, are the building blocks of your dashboard. Add cards for things like task lists, status breakdowns, charts, or time ranges. After adding a card, hit Customize to fine-tune it. Choose the data source, set filters to include only relevant spaces, folders, or lists, and pick a time frame, like this week, this month, or a custom range. You can group by assignee, status, priority, or tags to surface the story you care about. Adjust the display style, bar, line, pie, or a simple list so the information is easy to scan. As you go, drag cards to rearrange them so the most important insights sit at the top. Small tweaks like renaming cards and keeping labels short make the dashboard much easier to read at a glance. If you prefer a faster setup, you can choose a ready one and customize it. Templates give you a solid starting point with pre-built cards and common filters already in place. Pick the one that's closest to your needs. Then open each card's customized panel to align the data source, filters, and time ranges with your team's workflow. You can remove any card you don't need, add new ones to fill gaps, and rearrange the layout to match how your team consumes information. That's it. You've opened the dashboard view, created a fresh canvas, or used a ready-made layout, and tailored the cards to surface exactly what your team needs to see.